Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create an invitational link for your own server on Discord, for example, to invite friends and family members or colleagues to your server. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So launch Discord, log into your account, and for obvious reasons, you will need your own server, or at least be an admin or the owner of the server. So simply select the server on Discord here on the left-hand side. And what you want to do after that is click on that arrow down icon, or alternatively, simply take a look at these options here in the middle. We see, for example, the option invite your friends. So that's the fastest way to create an invitation link. So click on it. And after that, you'll be given the option to either search for friends on Discord and to invite them manually by sending an invitation, for example, to your contacts by clicking on invite here to the right. Or alternatively, guys, you may, for instance, copy that invitational link here below by clicking on copy here and paste it, for example, in your messages on direct messaging services, on social media posts or emails, and simply share that link with your friends and colleagues to invite them to join your Discord server. You may also click on edit invite link below and set, for instance, an expiration date like 7 days or 1 day or never, for instance, or go with a maximum number of users with, for instance, no limit, or 10 users or up to 100 users, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, simply click on generate a new link here to make Discord generate a completely new custom invitation link for you with one click of your mouse. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.